Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you what I call my grown-up grilled cheese, and I actually make this a lot when I buy lunch meat and I don't go through it all and I don't want to throw it away or I don't want it to go bad. I make these grown-up grilled cheese and I eat them for dinner. They're absolutely delicious. And they're like a grown-up version of a grilled cheese. So I hope you guys check it out. La 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 la.